Mario once again. Today is Monday, actually, October 13, 2025, and this is version 2 of this frame that I've been working on uh, to update this helicopter that I did back in the 70s. I showed that in some other videos. This is how I was making these helicopters back then, just with some simple materials and tools. But basically, you can see the difference, from that to a 2025 version 3D printed frame right here. This one came out too heavy, so I wasn't happy with the weight, and it's a little bulky, and so I went back to this the dimensions of this one here. I actually enlarged or widened the frame when I did this one, the first one, and so I went back and kind of reduced the width here, so that it's more in line with this original frame right here, even though it's got some additional details. And I also moved the servos. You see them here, they're all in line because they can be. This would be the tail rotor link servo. This would be the roll servo, and this other one on this other side would be the pitch servo. So it just makes for a cleaner setup, having all the servos in line, all embedded there. Plus, it also reinforces the frame because it grabs onto the frame. It's almost like a support block, just like these other ones are here. So as you can see, you know, the shape is the same, but the width and the thickness of these plates are different. This I made these plates at 0.1 inch in thickness, and this one I reduced it to 1/16, which is much lighter than this one right here. In addition to, like I said, the width is also different. That width is almost twice as wide as this one here, so quite a bit of reduction in weight and in the time that it takes to print this. So this is going to be the frame. What I am going to do here is I'm going to CNC machine a piece of fiberglass so that it supports the motor, and so the motor does not transfer the heat directly to the PLA material. It's a trick that I've used in some other assemblies, and it just makes for basically a heat barrier, or an insulator, if you will, for the motor. So this is my new frame.